Oh, is that your trash on the back of your truck?
There's a giant turd in there. You want it?
No, there's not. Are you serious?
Want to eat it and find out?
How do you keep it from falling off? How do you keep your trash from falling off?
Magic.
Are those some pee bottles? Those are pee bottles.
Peabody.
Those are some pee bottles. How do you keep those from falling off?
At least they ain't on the side of the road.
This is the way to do it, is to put your trash on the back. Oh, he does have some brown stuff. He does have some nasty brown stuff in there. He does have some nasty brown stuff in there. How do you keep that from falling off?
What?
How do you keep your trash from falling off?
Why would it fall off?
I mean,
Huh?
I'm just asking, how do you keep it from falling off?
Why would it fall off?
So, you got some pee bottles in there.
Richie, that's trash, and like I said, I don't throw my trash on the side of the road. I always take it with me, so whenever I find a garbage can, I can dispose of it properly.
That's right. Dispose of it properly.
Because naturally, people have waste. And when you have waste, you got to throw it away properly. You ain't a bum or no good nobody who throws it off on the side of the road for somebody else to pick up.